Afcon. Also the tournament will start on January 13th. Now we are looking at some of the favorites in the competition. We send in your man's way here, but this is in Avenya News. Say Antimuni Wache. Yeah. A University of Ghana, a medical facility, and none pay. I say. Oh, but Antimuni no area name of Black Stars da. Anna
Antimuni
World Cup 2014.
So what say me?
No, she's significant enough in this conversation because the Wache gang, your pride in say or your legend. So a legend has passed.
Antimuni Wache. I convert dia man to for credit Antimuni ponyom wogana.
Politics.
Baby Antimuni Wache.
So a legend has passed.
Say news we mu dupa.
Yeah, Antimuni.
But how we have you?
Ade.
It's a cross room.
My head.
Antimuni dey na. It's all kind of temaka pe kraba didi. Ala sisi aleba.
Sisi na memenya.
Oh, okay. But Antimuni dey fu continue naming didi bia is abobe no na ho baby. Fami from kake.
Tournament never started in Ivory Coast. Yeah, behwe the obey the next African champion. So we bet me retain and obi to me retain. I think in recent times, maybe you have very few teams on me retain. In recent times, they're from 2000 Debano, you Cameroon 2000, 2002. Then we'll get Egypt. Egypt here and 3 times on the trot 2006, 2008, 2010. Into a tournament where Senegal Nekita air the title. Or her so bet me emulate Safi Tinibia. Ghana, of course, yes, we are a bidder. So maybe in rain free. But the biggest issue here is why when I babeji and common there. I am starting the profiling from Algeria. And I posted to Twitter say I think Algeria to me are my favorite for the competition. And there are various reasons why. I will try to explain some of them. The reality better to why I say bet me be managing them. To start with, the state of Algerian national team as it stands, almost 10 games unbeaten run.
10 games.
The whole of 2023. Obian in 10 matches, we need 7, a draw 3, including beating Egypt, and then also on Egypt board draw, and Okoshe Senegal 1-0.
Yeah.
The Senegal defeat no Musafa. It was a most shocking one on Munya in this particular year because venue game Nebas and Senegal hadn't lost the game there. So Algeria are on the rise. On my way be that. Prior to Afcon 2019, no mark 35 matches unbeaten. No Bian and they had the longest unbeaten streak ever international football. Man, Sakrana Italy, ne Argentina, Nancy almost so baby. But almost dreams were shattered in the tournament. Almost Equatorial Guinea, almost 1-0. They had a very disappointing Afcon tournament. Almost frame group stage in 3 games, almost 1 point. Ivory Coast, Equatorial Guinea, almost Sierra Leone, and so ball draw. Then after that, they also had an embarrassing situation. World Cup qualifier, final stages in Ghana and Nigeria. Now Algeria and Cameroon neighbor. And they started so well. Omoko share Cameroon in Yaoundé. Then the return encounter, they just needed a draw to qualify. And Cameroon bet what the first goal through Eric Maxim Choupo-Moting. 1-0. Game no extra time. Then Islam Slimani feels what taker via say a handball. But eventually the equalizer came from the Algerians. 1-1. You bought 118 minutes. And I said, Algeria with that score line. Then in the closing stages of the game, Carl Toko Ekambi, Eshe Godi, Algeria Free. So from 2019, Edeba 2020, 21, 22, the last 2-3 years hasn't been so good a moment for Algerian football. Obviously, the local one is Chan. Omo Boya ko final Senegal EGD from Winsenva penalty shootout. So they are looking at redemption. Redemption, no say bebim anase mbim, emeni nkrabi and beche. But I think they have prepared well to make sure that the redemption quest, ebebem edi amomo. One, to start with, the coach, Jamel Belmadi. Belmadi is coming to this tournament in a 3rd edition. Who the highest point of the Afcon, which is winning it as a coach. And at the lowest point, coach away defending champion was Answe Frim exiting at the group stage. So he knows the highs and the lows of the tournament. If there's any coach to learn better lessons, then you also look at Jamal Belmadi into a Then the lessons ni be also yes a team or the bar in the last edition no, after winning 2019 he stuck to the Joachim Low of Moye Nibi. Or more my Jumana Mound, you are rewarding them for their commitment and loyalty. And to be what team Nimkro, yeah, dear. You want to still stick with the only Jumana Sane because you are paying the person for service or no render. It did not pay off well during the last edition. This time around, he's drawn a fine blend of the team now. The remnants of the 2019 edition, plus an admixture of omoye wo omo wa broche but omoye Algerian descent and omo so ball local scene ni mu a and then Yankopon ya adom omonya akonya no esi akan dia ma clubs are either on the continent or in Europe. It is a fine blend no and odeba competition abehese nyoma ebetimi akoye di ama no abu to start with 2019 squad omo wom yewo Rise Mboli. Mboli had not been called into the national team for over a year. But we're back to the Algerian league. Onisia is there and as a reward for reviving the career, no, we're friends on Mambekan squad, no, but Enya Mboli Kran started. So the Algeria squad, they have a goalkeeper drafting in from France, and the goalkeeper is Anthony Mandrea. So from 2022, they ban on what they mostly in their games for the national side. But Mbolia, Onoka 2019 squad, he beefs up the competition, and what would him know? And Mawujina and that's why you don't leave any stone unturned. Then Mbolia, our Isa Mandis war 2019 squad Mokanhubi, Youssef Attal, Enso Kanhubi, Rami Bensebaini, Ekahon, then Sofiane Feguli, Ismail Benassa, Riyad Mahrez, Adam Unas, Baghdad Buneja, Islam Slemani, Yusuf Belaili. Into 11 players or the Omoje, the Afcon in 2019. A part of the squad now, and that is tournament experience.
Yes.
So 11 players way so so by 2019 the NB. Into almost one with the highs and lows of the tournaments are. But it's not just that. When we will come and do the analysis, then what's also recruiting players are it has here more France and Omunchi for Algeria, and I say here will be Netherlands and Omunchi for Algeria. And that squad now our Kevin van der Kerkhoff. Van der Kerkhoff, your defender, Obo right back. Then our Ryan Ait-Nouri in the Wolves, or a left back, left wing back. Then our Yasser Larouci. Larouci was born in Algeria, but Otna France don't do. So he's not really somebody you're in Algeria. France Mojana na adults wonimu, but he has naturalized for the national side. Anna Ahmed Touba, and also born in France, but Obeboadi ama Algeria national team no a defender. Midfielders no Nabil Bentaleb. Born in France but playing for Algeria. Jose Maoua cried and France national team Nko Remoa Nessa. Fares Shaibi. One of the new faces of Modi Abibrim, a breath of fresh air. So here Bundesliga now. You know the player I'm talking about. About the Mayan Trank Frankfurt. Then Rami Zerouki. Zerouki can't find no team no. And they are a force in the Netherlands. Last season, the Dutch Eredivisie, no. He played a part in the squad almost the years. Then in attack, Amin Guria we proud to member and the goalkeeper Anthony Mondria. Into when we are more manone. Oh, do Algeria moja wo mumu. Ana coach ne recruit you modiaka in the squad one. But and so osanso local players omo kwa manone omo national team no. But they have come back to enrich the local league. Youssef Belaili number 1, Rise Mboli, almost a tournament experience. And have a local bred players Omakwa Monania, Omo Excelle, Ebiye Mohamed Amin Tugai. About the Mes Paransis, you are a central defender, no Bo Hussein Day.
Yes.
Then Omo Mohamed Amin Amoura, ES Satif. Now Waba the call Royal Union Saint-Gilloise, Ewo Belgium. As it stands now, Ope the highest scoring Algerian player, Ewo Europa. He is the one. 14 goals in 10 matches for USG. Obo Europa League, no, the Belgian League, so Obo or Jinidin. Then Hicham Boudaoui. Boudaoui so about the money. So clearly, next squad near was carefully was selected the best of the rest plus remnants of 2019. And Wakomwa Boma or the in the squad. Now what this means is that he's going to learn lessons from 2021 edition. No? Lessons bang. So what can 2019 squad now there are players in there to challenge you.
Yes.
And this is the explanation. Oya squad need here. Anthony Mandrea and Ebedim. per the Aquaso last year. Balimboli subet me ababeda. I was all year home. And I was Sama Bembot no USM Ojariano. He is an excellent goalkeeper. A Cup Super Cup Nibia against Alali. Watch a Confederation Cup Nibia or 5 clean sheets. So it means he's an excellent goalkeeper at that. And in the 3 goalkeepers ni nano. Obia wa kwenya se otimi dem na otimi jini din. Then that aside, Yusuf Atal your right back. But Atal more money because of Sir Palestine in Sensemno. He's been suspended for about 2 months. Say Atal ain't to me mba. Kevin van der Kerkhoff, no, he's a right back. So he will challenge him and Obo the man met in the French League. Ryan Ait Nouri, a left back or a left wing back. Rami Bensebaini might be used as a central defender. And he said Bensebaini no ball left back. Edema Dortmund, no, so Koba central defense, Ait Nouri, and a ball left back. But Bensebaini can also be always available as a left back when duty calls. Into position biano or double omu ina so ba omu performance was so central defense. If Isa Mandi cannot play because why is slow, because club form ne he can fall on players like Amin Tugai or Bodema Esperance in the CAF Champions League, or he can fall on Ahmed Tuba or Bodema Leti in Italy. So the team no from goalkeeping to defending no. So Obia it me play dual role, which helps. Midfield there, Menka. Defensive midfield, or Nabil Bentaleb. Or Hussein Maoua Betimiabo. But Rami Zerouki is a defensive midfielder, central midfielder. Then our Hicham Boudaoui as an offensive midfielder or a central midfielder. Ismail Benassa, or returning from injury in chair. So if on to me you soon yana, he can fall on Bentaleb or Zerouki. Not the but the first 2 matches. In the 3rd game against Mauritania, Ismail Benassa can warm up into the team. Memi Revisa, he was the best player at the 2019 Afcon.
Yes.
So on your match fitness now, and the day so best settle smoothly. No abobo ni Ediama Algeria for. So in the middle, players are they are either defensive midfielders or central midfielders. And as for Fian Feguli, so he's either a winger or an attacking midfielder. Inti player be away in one midfield hobiano, Ombokrano. You play 2 positions. Wow. Then forwards, no, Riyad Mahrez, he needs no introduction. Adam Munas needs no introduction. Mohamed Amin Amura na only Dean Bebreza, but he's their most dangerous attacker as it stands now. Oya Swift, Kodoko for them back kind of yepa. Kodoko versus ESATIF. Algeria ni kiti bina no dre omu bebre o show mo. Onwa. Wa bo from Algeria the call Belgium was good. I mean, good idea we pray on that tournament. Nibi Youssef Belaili back to MC Oja in 11 games. Was 10 goals, ama 8 assists. So he's on form. 11
games, 10 goals, 8 assists.
Hey, in the Algerian league.
Algerian league, you know, what's what about 11 games? 11
games, 10 goals, 8 assists.
And 11 games were involved in 18 goals.
Yes, Youssef Belaili. Not good. But the only question mark in the physical condition.
Is it why you kakra?
Yes, age no ko kakra. But if he's not fit to play, that is where you have Mohamed Amin Amura. And to attack now, player be or be and he will either play one top, which will likely be Baghdad Bunija, they share winning goal Afcon 2019. And now Islam Slimani.
Now me we age in catch. I say Omani
okay, good. 2019. Omobo tournament no moji. One of their standout performers was Aline Guedjura.
Yeah.
Now Guedjura did 33 years. Where more lifestyle no? Omo age does not really affect them physically because one omo no monsa. And then 2 omo running nyani omo dia omo ho eden pa. So they can age to be 32, 33, but they can give you competitive performance. Enter Obi Feguli. He is still a member of the squad.
Feguli
but wakwaba
Islam Slimani onozo enyi
wenyini but wakwaba obo or she. So omo dia ni quite different from yani ye bedi be 33 34 ni ego. But omo 33 34 they are still playing. If you check Salah era 30s muana meboa. But he's still performing. Egypt team no omo de 2006 2008 2010 Ahmed Hassan at the point in time no wenyini pa but the experience no was helping. Then Hossam Hassan the old Osama Sane no 98 or boy he played then eventually he was still in the system. Age does not really affect the North African players.
Africa bro for Africa brofo.
No age and time affect almost exactly the point. Enti ayade omo use to the advantage. So age might help them in terms of experience. So Belaili enyini Mares ebo wa Saudi Arabia wenyini kakra. Sofian Feguli enyini, but if they are there, they play the role as the leaders on the pitch to control the side. So watch out for Algeria. We'll look at Morocco.
Team Papa
I say
Team Papa.
See your favorite in India.
Na your favorite ara. Asare Boadu asemi aka ide. Ti dabe na be hwe kana sada no memboa boa me hombra. O say Team Papa. We all can we no can options no. Yes your watches bibri. Ayi Chandler. Otimibo tu isamba say forward.
But see any team. We know our team base no.
Any team.
I know but we are building a team anew.
Mateme da se pa. Bishop say we have okode. Mame di ayi Kofi ni komo keto bi na mame wi amre ne kakra wai. Na was the Kofi FZ na adwuma na nya anko. Kofi na anopa yi ni we. Avisia pa.
Afcon committee.
Anopa yi za dey be hu ananka matcha.